calling this a well-organized crime. So what these thieves are doing? They're basically going through mailboxes and they're stealing your mail, but they're looking for something very specific. They're looking for signed checks. Now this is happening all throughout neighborhoods, all throughout business areas. Officials say when the thieves find a check, they hand it off to a counterfeiter. Then someone is recruited to cash that phony check. Officials say typically it's a homeless person. The counterfeit checks are then written for higher amounts, sometimes thousands of dollars. Officials say some of that money is used to pay off the person who cashed that fake check, and the rest of it is being used to fuel gang activity and drug trafficking. So what can you do to protect yourself? Well, officials are recommending that you just take your mail and you drop it off at the post office. You could do that option, or you can actually just hand your mail over directly to your postman or your mail carrier, whoever typically covers your routes. If you know anything about this scam, you're asked to contact the Boone County Sheriff's Office. Reporting live in Boone County, Zach Pitts, 9 on your side.